Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is today's market update for September 16, 2020. If you look at the chart here, that's the SBY, and you can see that the chart, they get problem here. They couldn't go higher. After they come back, they retest the high, and then when the Fed finished the meeting, they push it back up. It's like they try to go higher, and then institution, they sell out, they push it down again. So you can see here we have a trouble to get up to this level here for many times already. So it seems like the market is still in a sideways correction right now. So let's see, overnight, tomorrow market be able to hold up and bow. Otherwise, if they continue to drop below the support here, they can continue to go to the south. All right, so you have to be careful. The market is a little bit choppy in the month of September, so we have to pay a little bit careful in the upside. Uh, and if you look at the a day traders, you see the market, it goes push it back up and then it goes sideways, and after 12 o'clock they just drop it down. So right now at the after hour, the market it still goes sideways, and then the downside try to have some support here. Let's see if we're able to bounce back up. And today I took some profit on the swing trade, so we may sell the option contract, okay, for 2 weeks, and the profit is $6,593 while we wait for the Fed to see how they are doing here. Okay, so this week we have a Fed, so we already cleared the Fed meeting, so the option will expire on Friday. That's another thing we'll call the market is volatile up and down here. So I think this week the market kind of choppy until next week. Okay, we will have a clear direction where the market is heading to. So if you look at a lot of stock that you retail stock that you doing well, like AMS right here, CROW, those things that we follow every day, still doing well. CROS, that's another try to put it up high, and McDonald still put it strong in the upside, and LYB it still continue to go up. And today at the bank stock, they turn around, they doing very well, like COF, Bank of America, they try to put it back up. The only thing here is on the transportation, like FedEx, they already hit the target price, and UPS and people are taking profit. So if you own those stocks, you have to be careful right now. And the home builder is still doing very well, like Toll Brother that we see here, and the DHI is still doing very well. So those things on the weekly market forecast, we already show you, and then they are heading to the north right now. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So let's see what the market is doing this week. They go sideways here, okay, and until they give you the clear direction where they're heading to, probably by the end of the week or next Monday, so we can see the market be able to hold up and push it higher. All right, so thank you very much for everybody that stopped by and watch the video today. If you would like to learn more about how to day trade to make some extra daily income as well as swing trade so that you can make a bigger profit potential, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We see you on the next video.